In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a watch-only wallet into a fully accessible wallet for withdrawals. To begin, it's important to understand what a watch-only wallet actually is. In apps like Trust Wallet, Binance, or Bybit, a watch-only wallet is designed to let you monitor a public blockchain address. That means you can view balances, incoming transactions, and outgoing activity connected to that address. However, a watch-only wallet does not contain the private keys needed to control the funds. In simple terms, it can see the wallet, but it cannot sign transactions or approve withdrawals. The next thing you need to do is locate the original private key or the 12-word or 24-word recovery seed phrase connected to that public address. This is the critical part of the process, because without that recovery information, you will not be able to gain full access to the wallet. Make sure you are using the exact recovery phrase or private key that was originally used to create that address. Also, handle this information very carefully. It should only ever be entered into a trusted wallet application, and you should never share it with anyone. Once you have that recovery information ready, open a supported crypto wallet app that allows full wallet imports. Inside the app, look for the option labeled Import Wallet. Depending on the wallet, you may be asked whether you want to import using a private key or a recovery phrase. Choose the method that matches the information you have, then carefully paste or enter it exactly as it appears. Accuracy matters here, because even a small mistake can prevent the wallet from importing correctly. After the import is complete, the wallet will no longer be watch only. Instead, it will become a full wallet that can interact with the blockchain on your behalf. At that point, you'll be able to authorize transactions, sign them with the wallet credentials, and execute withdrawals if the assets are available on that address. If you do not see the expected balance right away, double check that you imported the correct recovery information and that the wallet supports the specific blockchain network tied to that address. That's the full process. A watch-only wallet is useful for tracking activity, but to actually move funds, you must import the original private key or recovery phrase into a supported wallet app so it can function as a